Today we will be going over this insane AI effect inside After Effects using Kaiber.com. Kaiber.com is not free, guys. You do have to pay. But if you want to get free credits as I did, just recreate new accounts with new emails and they'll hook you up with some free credits. Free sauce right there. With that being said, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the like button so my video can continue getting pushed out to further new content creators. With that being said, let's head straight into Kaiber. So as you can see, we're on the Kaiber website. I have 160 credits. I did not pay for these credits, guys. I just signed up and that's how many credits they gave me, for real. First thing you're gonna do, press on create video. We're gonna press on the transform. You're gonna upload your video right here. Once you upload your video, go to edit your prompt. And from here, this is where you write your prompt and the style of the video that you're gonna want. If you guys aren't good at writing prompts, I highly suggest using Kaiberprompts.com. This will literally generate a fire prompt up for you guys. So we're gonna write a guy wearing a hoodie, his face, skeleton face figure, temple in the background, press generate. As you can see, it gives a way more detailed prompt. So we're gonna copy that prompt, go back to Kaiber, paste the prompt, and then for the style of, I selected steampunk. These are the presets they have, and you're gonna press on video settings. And the evolve is the threshold of the effect. If you go over here to the question mark, you can see the higher you go, the more wild it'll be. The lower, the more stable. So we're gonna put it at 3. We're gonna use version 2.0 and we're gonna press generate previews. After it generates, you can see the preview right over here. After you got your AI scene, you're gonna scroll down, press create video. After it finishes generating, you're gonna go down, press download. Now we have it downloaded, guys. Now we're gonna jump straight into After Effects. Now that we're in After Effects, guys, I'm gonna show you a quick effect that I would do with this AI generated video. I got my regular footage on top and my AI footage on the bottom. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna skip over 10 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna cut my clip right there. Skip over 10 frames again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cut it once again. Then I'm gonna delete that. And as you can see, it goes from regular footage to AI. And I'm gonna repeat that process the whole way through. So skip over 10 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cut it. Skip over 10 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cut it. And you're gonna delete that second part, but you're gonna leave this part right here. Do that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cut. And delete this one. Now if we play it back, as you guys can see, it switches from original clip to AI clip. It's looking pretty clean. That was the end of this tutorial, guys. If you guys want to see more AI effects, make sure to comment down below what you want to see. I'm reading comments. I'll definitely get back to you. Once again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Join the Sacred Takes family. Hit that like button. I really appreciate you guys. With that being said, I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.